Atomat produces a range of lathes specially dedicated to rolling mill cylinders. Lathes can be produced for turning only, or as combined lathes and notching machine configurations for turning, notching and marking. All lathe beds are 4 guideways, that is, with independent guides for tailstock and carriage. Thanks to the 4 guideways, all of Atomat's lathes include a robust tailstock, having a shaft that rotates on 2 sets of large bearings located inside the quill for higher stability. The tailstock and quill are both motorized. Another benefit is a tailstock that includes a computerized system for the automatic compensation of thermal stretch of the rolled cylinders during operation. Nominal as well as maximum and minimum pressure on rolled cylinders are set in the panel screen. In the case of length variations, the hydraulic system will bring the pressure to the nominal values to improve turning accuracy. With interrupted cutting operations, this system can be switched off, and should there be a power loss or the machine is switched off, the system will automatically put the tailstock in a safe position. In general, lathes are provided with a fixed heavy-duty turning saddle with universal tool holder suitable for up to a 60mm tool. Turrets with multiple positions can also be provided upon request. When provided in the configuration of a combined notching and turning machine, the AT830 NTE CNC is an integrated centre for turning, notching and marking. The notching as well as the marking devices are fixed on the saddle, which allows all 3 operations in a single machine and with only one setup. When operating in notching and marking mode, the normal lathe motor is switched off and the main spindle is driven by a special ring digital motor. In the traditional combined machines, the headstock motor is connected to the main spindle through a gearbox, so during the notching and marking operations, and in particular when diamond tools are used, the backlash inherent in the gear transmission causes breakage and reduced tool life. The Atomat's ring motor, without transmission, assures maximum accuracy without tool breakage problems. All the Atomat lathes are equipped with Rollwork software. The proven Rollwork software for Atomat CNC machines is based on an innovative concept, integrating roll maintenance machine programming with a software designed to manage the roll shop inventory. It was developed to simplify programming of Atomat's CNC machines and ensure error-free processing of roll redressing. The new software includes a database for the roll stock, where roll data is automatically updated after every operation. The software includes a database to manage all information for rolls in service as well as those in inventory, an intuitive interface for machine programming, and a full library of parametric programs for different profiles. CNC lathe programming in general requires dedicated CAM software, trained and skilled personnel, and time. This is a cost to be considered in the choice of a new lathe. Atomat, thanks to its exclusive Rollwork software, is able to provide a sound and cost-effective solution to this problem. Powerful CAM software is embedded in the Rollwork software. A basic library for all groove shapes is included in the base program. The operator, by choosing the groove shape, is prompted to input all the necessary parameters that define a specific groove by a simple, intuitive interface. Therefore, Rollwork can also manage a dedicated library of profiles, specifically tailored for each customer's needs. The Rollwork software allows a network connection to be made with the other Atomat machines installed in the workshop. In this way, the roll inventory database is shared between all the Atomat machines, and roll data is updated after each operation. This ensures that each machine will be ready to operate using the last updated dimensional data of the roll cylinder. Contact us for a tailored solution and performance test at Atomat's workshop.